The heavens have opened and it's been a truly horrendous day in Frankfurt today, but yet the show must go on.
This is the new outline system. What is this? This is Superfly. Superfly is an evolution of the butterfly. I don't want to spend time on the butterfly because everybody knew that PA. This one is an evolution with a 210-inch, 2.8 and 1.3. The same driver we use on the GTO families. Is a new rigging, is a powerful system driven by PowerSoft, and is fully compatible with a Mantas on the downfield if you want it, or on the side.
We've just released the Festival Box. What it does, it helps you to reduce your cabling between stage and front of house. It features up to 12 SFPs, so just fiber modules, which you can use for different consoles. And it doesn't matter which protocol you have. You can use it with Digico, you can use it with Midas, you can use it with Yamaha, with SSL, with Avid, any console, any protocol, and it all runs on single or two fibers.
This is the new cadet console, the CDC5. It's a smaller version console than our other digital series, and we have 48 inputs and 32 outputs, 24 of which are configurable. We've moved the control screen from the other consoles internally on this one, and it's accessible from an easy swipe on the screen or buttons on the side of the screen. We've added 40 user input buttons, which are easily accessible on the either side of the fader tray and editable from a new user input edit screen. We've added 8 more analog inputs than on the previous consoles that now has 16 ins and 8 outs. Also has 8 in, 8 out AES on the back, an internal power supply, and waves still fitted inside as standard.